Hello loves! Welcome to my channel. This is your Tita Laquachera, Love Miss Rowan. If it's your first time to be on my channel, please watch all my previous video and subscribe. Thank you! This vlog is all about Mount Kalugong, Rockies and Kape-an with my friends Sorge, Lynn, and Jen. We're going to Mount Kalugong.
Kalugong means hot.
Kalugong is a local word which means hat. It was named due to the rock formations on top of the mountain which make it look like a hat. When you're down to Bali, you'll clearly see the hat shape. The road going to the top of Mount Kalugong is already cemented. However, you need to be very careful. As you can see on the video, the road is so steep and small, so a two-way traffic is not possible. You will need to give way to vehicles going up. We were lucky there were no other vehicles when we went up and down Mount Kalugong. We went to Mount Kalugong for breakfast at the Kape-an. As you can see, our outfit is just perfect for a cafe pictorial. Unfortunately, the previous gate leading to the cafe is already closed, so we need to take the new route. Hindi pa po kami makakain. Hinahanap pa namin yung cafe. Ang daan sa cafe. At this point, we decided to go back since there's no other way leading to the cafe. We finally found the trail going to Mount Kalugong Eco Park. The trail is not yet cemented, so you need to be very careful since it's a bit muddy due to the daily rains. The Eco Park is a private area and you need to register and pay an entrance fee. Make sure to follow all the reminders. I feel like a kid again when I tried the swing under the big pine tree. Plus, we also thought that the cafe behind me is the cafe where we will be having our breakfast, but it's not.
Yan, kakain na po kami. Ah, ang sarap, diba? More pictures later.
We continued our hike and went to the Rockies. We didn't know that there's two routes going to the cafe, the easy and the hard trail.
Ito pala ang daan papuntang ano yun? Kape-an. Mount Kalugong yung cafe. Hindi kami ready. Hindi kami ready. Ganito pala siya.
Obviously, we took the hard trail. It took us an hour before reaching the cafe. We had to be really careful and find the right spot or rock to step on, but the view is breathtaking. The hike to the Rockies is absolutely worth it. You get to see the humble town of La Trinidad, Benguet, the wide strawberry farms, thousands of pine trees, and a sneak peek of Baguio City. After stepping on several rocks, we finally made it to the Kape-an. Yahoo! This is Chef Lawrence, who will show the available food at the cafe.
Hi guys, welcome to Mount Kalugong. So as you can see, we have our rock garden, and also we also have our specials. We have our cakes, our coffee. We have all the best comfort food. So we have pasta, burger, quesadilla, nachos, blueberry pizza. And additional to that also is we have a special burger. The
Wow.
best in the mountain.
Yay! Thank you!
And here's some of the food that we enjoyed during our trip to the Kape-an. I also met Miss Susan Pablo, who is the cafe owner. She is a good friend of my friend Sorge. I really love how she designed her cafe. She actually showcased and display all her mug collections. I really like it and I would like to buy some of it, but it's not for sale. There are available board games that you can borrow and use while you are at the cafe. This will make you busy while waiting for your food. Plus, the cafe has the best and easy spot to see the bird's eye view of La Trinidad, Benguet.
May shortcut na doon.
Bibili lang po kayo.
We left the cafe with a full tummy. This time, we took the easy route. It was truly an unexpected adventure at the Rockies with the girls. Now time to go home before it rains. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you for watching.